So guys, I went and tried to warm up the car. Well, I warmed up the car, but I just didn't really think it was too safe to be driving. So, guess what I'm doing? Walking to the store, and this wind out here is brutal. It's blowing downhill. It's strong. Almost blew my umbrella away, and it's cold. So Newark, y'all need to get out here, city of Newark, and start cleaning up some of these streets. This one is not bad, but I live on a side block, which they are always horrible. Look, see that? Just all snow. Guess I'll definitely get some exercise today. Whew. So I'm cooking, and I need some aluminum foil for my baked potatoes. And believe it or not, I need some toilet paper too.